Nshanga basheija ashomire kanso amazina ashatu g'abantu abokutaha akakiiko aka kandi aba babiri barimu Bernard Tumukunde, Peace Ndyamuhaki na Jacqueline Njuyarwo. Ogu ashabire ngu aba bikirizibwaho bw'okuba abarimu bwa hati nabo kumara kukora 10 by'okwa kabiri 2025.
A person representing people with disabilities, Ms. Ndyamuhaki Peace. She has all qualifications and she is born from Kabale Municipality in Central.
Bitwe kansara wa Kabale Municipality Central na Northern Division Vera Tumuheki ashabire ngo amazina gaba gasinduka mu kakiiko ka kanso kushwijuma bataka basindikire on public service.
I was on the due that we received as council, and we send these names to committee for more discussion. As the chairman has said, we may not be knowing people by face on the road, but we need to investigate more so that we put people who are competent for the commission.
If need be, we shall pull ahead our sitting so that we are within the time, but all the same, it will be submitted to the ministry. It will take some time to come back. Definitely there will be a virtue. You will have to hire somewhere.
Talking of this issue of such commission, we've brought names. You have been deciding. So it's your role to decide. It's not me to decide for you. It's not speaker to decide for you. So me to be satisfied.
Nshanga bashija kwaremera okuro kwaburo kwa speaker nyina kiza yatumisaho umusirikare wa council kwera chairman kushitama.
Speaker, if you have no issues with these people that you have submitted, it's you as a person.
No, we are.
But the interest of the people of Kabale.
Let me tell you what we are going to do.
The interest of the people of Kabale.
Sergeant at arms.
What do you mean by sergeant at arms?
You tell the chairman to sit and we have our orderly
It's okay. It's okay. We are not going
to have to put him in seats.
It's
and
okay.
We have our orderly
It's okay.
Because this
it's
is
okay. This is very serious. We are dying for our people. That's why we are here.
Obutikiriza na bugumizemu speaker yashabangu kanse humuremu kumaresha herengiremwe bitu no bagarikire nshanga bashija gumizemu no kwesharinga eki cyaize speaker kwemereza urukiko rukusiyobwira butakamanyurwe.
Council session.
I'm not going to stop.
Since
it's all the council.
To adhere.
I'm not going to stop, speaker.
What I'm saying.
I'm not going to stop.
I am today.
I'm not going to stop, speaker.
This executive committee yaleta amazina council as an entity eshimirire kuga adoptinga ekaga blessinga then kaka submitted to public service commission. Akuba district executive committee amena standing committees zibaga working arms za district council.
Kanso egiye birashitamira kushijima bikozero mu mwaka ogu hamwe no kuganira hanshonga zukureta ururembo rwa Kabale City bite nshonga ya service commission yeteganise byona. Gashaka Job na manyo muri Kabale.